I wanted to give you a quick review on this electric mason jar vacuum sealer. I wanted to make a fruit topping for myself or maybe to give away. So you can see here that I'm cooking down my own fruit, and now that it's boiled a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my jar. This is a jar I had at home. It's the smaller size jar, the 12-ounce size, and so I'm just putting my fruit in there, and then I'm going to put the lid on that actually came with the vacuum sealer. So you can see, first of all, that I'm going to wipe it down to make sure that it's nice and clean, so that it seals properly. And then I'm putting on the lid that was provided with the vacuum sealer. Now I'm pushing that on, and then it's vacuum sealing as it blinks. And once it stops blinking, you'll hear it click off, and then you are ready to preserve your jar. So here you can see it takes just a few seconds and then it stops blinking. All you have to do is twist off the vacuum sealer, and you can see here you have a perfectly sealed jar. Now all you have to do is put on your own rim, and you have a perfect gift or something that will last in your pantry for years. This also comes with multiple sizes of rims, a charger for your vacuum sealer. You're gonna love this because it is so convenient to use.